In this video, I'll show you how to add a soft glow fade between scenes in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a soft glowing fade between your clips, making the scene change feel smooth, warm, and cinematic. It works great for wedding films, romantic edits, product reveals, and storytelling videos. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for glow. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Intensity controls how strong and bright the glow looks. Length controls how far the glow spreads across the frame. Angle controls the direction of the glow streak. Dissolve time controls how fast one clip transitions into the next. Use a shorter duration for a subtle quick glow. Use a longer duration for a smoother dreamy fade. Preview the effect and adjust the settings based on your style. And that's it. That's how you add a soft glow fade between scenes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.